Top 3 Remote Project Management Tips Explained. Top 3 Remote Project Management Tips Explained. COVID-19 has ushered in the era of remote project management. These 3 tips will help you become a more effective project manager so that your team works well together across different locations. As the project management head, you are responsible for eliminating the stress of these questions and processes by embracing a deliberate communication style. Global Workplace Analytics estimates that by the end of 2021, 25 to 30% of the workforce may continue to work from home multiple days a week. Number 1. Embrace deliberate communication. Maintain daily communication with your team and be available to employees if they need your help or guidance. Number 2. Establish clear guidelines. Remote project management tools can facilitate productivity, but they can also lead to burnout from employees working too much. Number 3. Lead with connection and engagement. Work-life balance is not possible at home for your team members if you do not enforce it. Be careful not to overwhelm them or confuse them with ever-changing processes. Use these tips to become more effective at remote project management today.